Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask with Pancake Swap. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to connect Metamask to Pancake Swap, the first thing you'll need is your Metamask wallet application. Simply install Metamask and create a new wallet if you don't have it yet, and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you do that, go open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in pancakeswap.finance and search. You'll see this kind of an interface displayed on your screen. Tap the Connect button in the upper right hand corner and from the pop-up, select Wallet Connect. Now choose Metamask from the options displayed in the pop-up. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of a pop-up in your Metamask wallet homepage. Click on Connect in order to connect Pancake Swap with Metamask. Tap the Connect button, and doing this will allow this dApp to view your public address. Once you do that, you'll be able to connect Metamask with Pancake Swap. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to connect Metamask with Pancake Swap. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.